Thank you so much for asking me. Today we are having a workshop to discuss on the seriousness of land degradation in Central Asia and the impact of climate change on land degradation. The objective of the workshop is really to create awareness to the youngsters so that they can understand the level of the problem and start helping policymakers to address the challenges with land degradation. It's particularly important because we are trying to target youngsters, students, and through changing their behavior, it is possible to bring some changes. The whole idea is how is it possible to reach to students at various levels, how to integrate environmental concerns, land degradation concerns, climate change agenda into the curriculum and help students understand the seriousness of the problem and help the policymakers to address the impacts of land degradation.